Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick review of this bag. It's not a complete review, it's going to be super quick, but I wanted you to go ahead and put this in your shopping carts so when Amazon Prime Day comes around, you have this all ready to go. There's a promo code on there now, and I'm hopeful that Prime Day you'll get an even better discount. All right, this is a light flight travel backpack, super lightweight. The pockets are fantastic. That top one, I'm going to put my phone in it, my AirPods in it. This water bottle pocket is a little bit shallow for my liking, but it does come with a strap, so you will need to secure your bottles down. Then in the front, there is a quick access pocket where I have my electronics bag with my adapters, plugs, chargers, AirPods for now until I move them up there. This second front pocket, quick access, snacks, book, Kindle, that kind of thing. Main cavity, compression strap holding everything together. My packing cube with 4 days worth of clothing, my emergency kit with medication, toiletry bag, blanket that I use as a pillow, my nighttime kit with my fan, my sound machine, earphones, headphones, all the things, and an extra pair of shoes. Go ahead, check out this bag. I would recommend putting it in your cart, see what the price is on Prime Day, because I think it's a good one. It's going to be great for all personal item flights, budget airlines.